Hello guys, welcome back to Shaul Classroom. In this video, we can see about what is XAMPP and its uses and its advantages and its the installation process also. First of all, you can see about what is XAMPP. XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stock package developed by Apache friends. That's provided a local web server environment. It is primarily used to build, test, and host web application locally on your computer before deploying them to a live production server. That is means you can run it locally on your system itself. Now you can know about what is included in XAMPP. XAMPP stands for X is a cross platform. It is works on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And A is an Apache, it is a web server, and you can see about an M is a MySQL or MariaDB. It is a used for database management. You can use that P is a PHP and Perl. PHP is a web server scripting language and this is for another programming language. This XAMPP is also included some of the useful tools like PhpMyAdmin, FileZa, FTP server, Mercury mail transfer system and Tomcat. Now you can know about what are the uses of XAMPP. It is a local development, database management, learning and experiment, testing website performance, hosting website locally. This is a main important. You can test your website in your locally in your system itself, and you can know about the debugging and troubleshooting also. This is an open source development. The XAMPP is a open source software. You can know about the advantages of XAMPP. XAMPP is an easy to install and configure, lightweight and free, cross-platform support, and you can know about the free packages tools that is installed in the XAMPP itself. That's it about XAMPP. Now you can see about what is the installation of the XAMPP. You can open your favorite browser and type XAMPP and click enter. You can see the apachefriends.org and you can click that link. Click that first link in the web page. Now you can see the OS like Windows, Linux and OS. You can click that Windows. Now it now you can see it is downloaded automatically. If not, you can click here. Most of the times you can use the option click here. Now it is file is downloaded. If not, the file is not downloaded means you can click that XAMPP Windows. In this, you can see the latest version of 8.2.12. You can click that. You can see the highest installation is this installer.exe. You can click this. The downloaded will start. Once the file is installed, you can simply right click and click that open button. Now you can see, do you want to allow this app to make the changes on the device and click that yes button. Now I can minimize the screen. Now you can see this warning. You can simply click that OK button. Now you can click that next button. You can see the selective components and click that next button. This is an installation folder. I can click that next and you can see the language option. The default language is English. I can click that next button. It is ready to install. Click that next. Now you can click that finish button. Now you can see the XAMPP control panel. Now you can simply click that start button in the Apache. Now it is running in the 443 port and the 80. Likewise, you can click that MySQL. Now you can see the MySQL is shut down unexpectedly. For that, you can click that stop button for the Apache first of all, and you can close the screen. In this, you can see the XAMPP. You can click that quiet button and click that OK button. Now it is taking so much time means you can click that Control Alt Delete. You can go to Task Manager. You can simply click that XAMPP and click that End Task. and you can close this. Now I can go to search and type the XAMPP. Now I can click the run as administrator. Now I can click that yes button. Now I can click that Apache, click that start button. Now it is working and the port number is also shown. Like this I can click that start in the MySQL. Same issue is showing. MySQL is unexpectedly shut down. Now I can open the MySQL workbench. I having the MySQL workbench. I can cross check that. Now I can click that my connection. In that connection, I can have the port as 0036 as a default port number. Now I want to change the port number. I think I can click that config. In that I can click that my.ini. In this you can change the port as 3307. Like this you can scroll down and change the 3307. You can click the Control S or you can click the file and click that save button. Now you can minimize this. Now you can click that start button again. Now it is working the MySQL. Like this I can run the FileZilla, can start the Mercury, all are working. Like this you can start the Tomcat also. I can stop this too. I did not use these two features. Now I can simply minimize the screen. Now I can go to start and now I can open a new tab and enter the IP address as this is the IP address I enter. Now I can once I click that you can see the XAMPP page. Likewise, you can simply type the localhost and click enter. You can see this page. In this page, you can simply type the PhpMyAdmin. Now it is showing this type of error. For that, now we can open the file explorer. In the C drive, I can open the XAMPP. In this XAMPP, you can scroll down. You can see the PhpMyAdmin. In this PhpMyAdmin, you can see the config.inc.php. Open that. Now you can enter the MySQL password which you given while installing. I can enter that. I can click that Control S. I can close this window. Now I can refresh the screen once again. Now the access is given and all my database is shown. Now I can click that database. Now I can create a new database as testdb and I can click that create button. Now the database is created. You can see the test.db is shown. Likewise, you can create a table name such as I can enter the table name as users. My column length is 3. Column number of columns is I given as 3. I can click that create button. Now it is opened. Now I simply enter the name as ID name and I can enter the email also. For that ID, this is integer. For the name, I can choose the varchar. For email, I can choose the varchar. Now I can simply click that save button. It is asking for please enter a valid length. It's asking for the length. I enter 255, like 255. Now I can click that save button. Now the database is created. In the testdb, you can see the users. Under users, you can see the columns. That is an ID, name, and email. That's it. Of the That's it. You can create a database in the PhpMyAdmin. Now you can minimize the screen. Once the database is created, now we can create a sample PHP program and run in localhost. Now you can minimize the screen and open the file explorer. In the file explorer, I go to C drive. In the I can open the exam. In that you can scroll down. Uh, Simply type ht doc and you can double click that. In that you can simply type that I can simply create a new file. new text file, that is an name it as hello PHP and click that enter and click that yes button. You can see the type as PHP source file. If you did not see means you can click that view button and click that show. You can click that file name extension. That's it. Now I can right click that file and I can open with VS Code that I can now run an sample program. Can open HP and for print I can use the echo. You can simply give the control S or you can give go to file and click the save button. Once I finish that, I can close this. In this, now we can run the file in the localhost. I give the localhost slash. Now we can create a file as hello.php and click enter. Now we can see the Shaul classroom which is printed successfully. That's it about XAMPP. It is very useful for creating database and you can create and run the website locally. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.